Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Logitech Pro X mic not working. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you have a Logitech Pro X mic and you're wondering how do you fix if it's having some problems here, well, there are going to be a few things that you do to probably fix this issue. So first thing that you want to do is you want to check for the fixed physical connections on your Logitech Pro X mic. So you want to go ahead and check where you plug the USB connection for your headset and see if it's loose. Now also try switching or connecting it in a different port. So maybe switching it up, so try a different port in your PC and see if that solves the issue. Now if none of those actually work, the next thing that we could do here is to basically adjust our settings on our Windows. Now at the bottom right of your screen, you want to go to your bottom right here, you want to go to speakers, right click on it, and you want to go ahead and choose the option for let's just choose the sound option here. And from here, what we need to do is we need to go to the recording or playback. So whatever you are having some problem here. So since we are having some problems with recording here, since our mic is our affected problem here, you want to go ahead and go to recording and you want to go and choose your microphone here. For example, this is your microphone, right? Just right click on it, and what you need to do is you need to enable it. Now, if you do see disable here, it means it's already enabled. But if you do see the enable option, choose that to enable your microphone. Now, also you might want to set this as your default. Now, right click on it, just choose set as default device. Now, another thing that you could do here is you could go to properties as well, and you could go to the level section, and you want to go ahead and choose the level for your microphone. So you can set this to 100, but if you do see it at the very bottom here, make sure to adjust it a little bit to make it a lot louder so that your microphone can pick up what you are saying. But in this case, you should be good if you are able to fix it this way. Now, if that doesn't work, there is another thing that you can still do here to fix this problem. So in this case, you need to reinstall, or in this case, install again the Logitech G HUB here. So Logitech G HUB is an app that actually manages your Logitech devices. Now, this is especially good if you're having problems with your Logitech device. So if you're having problems right now, maybe try installing it. But if you already have Logitech G HUB here, you want to uninstall and reinstall it again. So at the bottom left, you want to go and just type in uninstall, click on add or remove programs. You want to go and just type in Logitech, and you want to go and click on this one and click on uninstall and click on uninstall. Now click on yes if it requires further permission. Now in here, what we need to do is we need to go ahead and unselect the save my current settings. So what it does, it actually deletes your current settings right now, and it starts fresh whenever you install it again. So just click on uninstall, proceed with the uninstallation, and once you've done that, reinstall it again on your PC and see if that solves the issue. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.